Good morning student, now it's time for a maths class and today we will be doing chapter 3 continuing with exercise 3 subtraction. In that we will be doing estimating the difference. So first let me explain you what do you mean by estimating the difference. See, sometimes we need to quickly calculate the approximate difference of the numbers, and so it is at this place where we actually use the concept of estimating the difference. Again, I am telling you, like sometimes we need to quickly calculate the approximate difference of the numbers. So in this place we actually use the concept of the estimating the difference. For example, you see, for example, if your mobile is rupees 585 and your friend's mobile is rupees 675. So your mobile, for example, your mobile is rupees 585 and your friend's mobile is rupees 675. If we estimate the difference of 675 and 585, what we do? See here. 585 it is closer to 600. 585 it is closer to 600 and 675 it is closer to 700. Therefore, if we subtract 600 from 700, we will be getting 100. Hence, so 100 is the estimated difference of our bill. And when we do the actual difference, 675 minus 585, the difference is 90. Therefore, 90 is the actual difference of the mobile bills. So let us do this one. Now, if we subtract the numbers, first one 431 and 321. If you subtract the round of numbers, 431 round of numbers will be 400 and 321 round of numbers will be 300. And the estimated difference is 300 from 400 will be 100, and the actual difference 431 minus 321, the actual difference will be 110. Now come to the next one, 485. 485 minus 265. So the rounded to nearest hundreds or thousands will be how much? 485, the rounded number will be 500, and to the rounded and 265 is closer to 300. The estimated difference 300 from 400, if we subtract 300 from 500, the 300 from 400, the estimated difference will be 200. And the actual difference, if we subtract 485 minus 265, the actual difference will be 220. Next, 4165 minus 2179. So rounded to 165 will be 4000, is closer to 4000, and 2179 is closer to 2000. So the estimated difference will be 4000 minus 2000, the estimated difference will be 2000, and the actual difference is, if you subtract 4165 minus 2179, the actual difference will be 1986. Next, 6816 minus 2915. So what will be the round of nearest to 6816? The number will be 6000. And nearest to 2915 will be 3000. Now what will be the estimated difference? The estimated difference will be 3000. If you subtract 6000 minus 3000, the estimated difference will be 3000, and the actual difference will be, if you subtract 6816 minus 2915, the actual difference will be 2901. Next, problem sums. Again, I am telling you, we are doing the problem sum, so you have to do the steps one by one. Mr. Roy has 845 toy cars, out of which he gave away 345 toy cars to Hemant. How many toy cars are left with him? Again, I am repeating. Mr. Roy has 845 toy cars, out of which he gave away 345 toy cars to Hemant. How many toy cars are left with him? So first step, what will you write down? First you see how many total number of toy cars does total number of toy cars Mr. Roy has. First write down the place value, ones, tens, hundreds. So let's start the step. Total number of toy cars Mr. Roy has how much? 845. So write down 845. Next is out of which he gave away 345 toy cars to Hemant. So next step, what will you write down? Number of cars Mr. Roy gave away to Hemant will be how much? 345. So you have to subtract these two numbers. Next, what will you write? Therefore, what is the question being asked? How many toy cars are left with him? So you have to write down, therefore, number of toy cars left with him, you have to subtract. So go to the ones, place ones, subtract the ones. 5 ones minus 5 ones will be 0 ones. Then go subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 4 tens will be 0 tens. Now come to the subtract the hundreds. 8 hundreds minus 3 hundreds will be 500. So now what will you write down the answer? 500. The answer which we got here is 500. So write down 500 toy cars are left with Mr. Roy. The question is how many toy cars are left with him? 500 toy cars are left with Mr. Roy. Go to the next one. Leena has 849 dresses and Shruti has 441 dresses. Who has more dresses and how many more? So first, what will be a first step? Number of dresses Leena has, first write down in ones, tens, hundreds. Number of dresses Leena has, it is 849. Next, number of dresses Shruti has, 441. So write down 441. You have to subtract these two numbers. Number of dresses Leena has, 849. Number of dresses Shruti has, 441. So we have to subtract these two numbers. Now subtract the ones. 9 ones minus 1 ones will be 8 ones. Next, subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 4 tens will be 0 tens. Next, 800 minus 400 will be 400. So number of dresses is 408. So now you can very well say that who has more dresses? Leena has dresses. Leena has, write down, Leena has how many dresses more? 408 dresses. Leena has 408 dresses more than Shruti. So Leena has 408 dresses more than Shruti. Again I am repeating, Leena has 849 dresses and Shruti has 441 dresses. Who has more dresses and how many more? So first you have to write down step by step. The first step, Leena has 849 dresses. First write the place value ones, tens, hundreds. Then write down the number of dresses Leena has, 849. Next step, Shruti has 441 dresses. In the next step, you will write down number of dresses Shruti has is 441. Then what is being asked? Who has more dresses and how many more? So then you have to subtract these two numbers. Then add number of dresses. You have to subtract it. The answer you will get is 408. So now write down. Leena has 408 dresses more than Shruti. Next, a basket contains 2,763 mangoes, of which 119 mangoes are rotten. How many mangoes are good condition? Again I am repeating the sums. A basket contains 2763 mangoes, of which 119 mangoes are rotten. How many mangoes are in good condition? So, first write down ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, because there are 4 digits. So this is the place values will be 4, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. First step, number of mangoes a basket contains how much? 2763. Write down 2763. Next step, of which 119 mangoes are rotten. So write down the next step, number of rotten mangoes is how much? 119. So 119, you have to subtract 119 from 2763. So now let's subtract the ones. We can't subtract 6 ones from 3 ones. So we regroup 6 tens and 3 ones is 5 tens and 13 ones. 5 tens, 13 ones. So 13 ones minus 9 ones will be 4 ones. Next, subtract the tens. 5 tens minus 1 tens will be 4 tens. Now go to the hundreds. Subtract the hundreds. 7 hundreds minus 1 hundreds will be 6 hundreds. Now next, 1000, so you have to write down 1000, 2000. So the number of mangoes in good condition is 2644. So what will you write down the answer? 2644 mangoes are in good condition. Now this is mental maths in your maths book only. It's page number, let me tell you, it's page number 63. Mental maths from your book, playing with numbers. Page 63. Now see the first sums. Fill in the blanks. 81 less than 481. So if we subtract ones, tens, hundreds. So 481 minus 81. So if let's subtract the ones. 1 ones will be 0 ones. Next 8 tens minus 8 tens will be 0 tens. Then 4 hundreds. So the answer will be 400. Next, 1000 less than 7969. 7969. Again I am telling you, if in this case 1000 minus less than. So in 1000 case, see, this means 1000 less than 7969. So this you can tell the predecessor. This is the predecessor. One, not the predecessor. 1000 less than 1000. That means it is 1. It stands in the 1000 place. It is not the predecessor. Extremely sorry, it is not the predecessor. But 1000 stands in the. It comes under the thousands place. So here 1 is there. So if you subtract just the predecessor of 7 will be 6. So you will get the answer. Ones, tens, 0, 7000 minus 1000 will be 6000. So 6000 is the answer. The predecessor of 7 will be 6. And it's 1000, that means there is no digit in the hundreds. 7969 minus 1000 will give you 6000. 45 less than 2145. If we subtract 2145, sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 2145 minus 45. If we subtract the hundreds, ones place 5 ones minus 5 ones will be 0. 4 tens minus 4 tens will be 0. 100, that is 1, 2, 2100. So answer will be 2000. 45 less than 2145 will be 2100. Next is 50 less than 700. So if we subtract ones, tens, 100. So 700 minus 50, 0, 1, 0. So as we can't subtract, so we have to carry a 1, 6. So 10 tens minus 5 tens will be 5 and 6, 650. So the answer is 650. So we have finished this third chapter, subtraction. Along with this video, I will be giving you few worksheets, sums. Solve the sums in your copy. Thank you.